The hollow body core this month, just doing a slow rotation. If you've got some soft mats or whatever, it will feel a little bit better than a hard floor. You could just do one side at a time, like we had last month, where you did 30-second hold, 30-second hold, 30-second hold. But what it's programmed as is a slow roll. So you're really trying to maintain that position. If you're doing an easier one, you can still roll, you just have it like that. As you come around and do that side hollow, you still have a side hollow where it's a shortened lever. And then you bring one hand down, try and get that arch there. You have the knees apart to make it a little bit easier. That one comes through. Get into that. To make it harder, the legs are straight, but you're keeping your arms down. So you're there, slowly roll. Elbow comes around. That spot to make that one harder. Get the arms out. Control. This is the hard point here. Stop it rolling too quickly. Coming around. So just rolling back and forth. Good one with this to start with is like 30 seconds on, 30 off, because it is pretty heavy. Then you'll go to a minute on, 30 off, minute and a half on, 30 off. So that way you do 3 sets, so that's the full version. So you're working for 90 seconds, resting for 30 seconds. You can go back to back, so like I just did then, where you start on your back, roll to the back and come back, or where you face down and then roll from front to front. They're both going to work. Obviously, if you're doing the back to back, you're getting a little bit more time in the hollow, and if you're starting face down, you're getting a little bit more time in the arch. You could even alternate if you're doing like 4 sets or something, you do 2 of each. But just trying to get that nice control and feel that transition as you rotate from the anterior core into the lateral core into that posterior core, so you condition the tissues all the way around in that nice 360-degree fashion. So enjoy that, get it done.